Once upon a time in a small town, there was a girl named Emily who loved reading books. She would spend hours in the local library, lost in the pages of her favorite novels. Emily's best friend was her cat, Whiskers, and together they would sit by the window, watching the world go by. In the same town lived a boy named Jack. Jack was a kind-hearted and hard-working young man who helped his father run a small bakery. The bakery was known for its delicious bread and pastries, and people from all around would come to buy their treats. Jack loved to bake and found joy in creating new recipes. One sunny afternoon, Emily decided to take a walk to the bakery to buy a loaf of bread for her mother. As she entered the bakery, the sweet aroma of freshly baked bread filled the air. Jack was at the counter, serving customers with a warm smile. When Emily walked in, Jack couldn't help but notice her. She had a book in her hand and a gentle smile on her face. Emily approached the counter and asked for a loaf of bread. Jack, feeling a bit nervous, handed her the bread and said, "This one's on the house." Emily was surprised and thanked him with a shy smile. As she left the bakery, Jack watched her go, feeling a strange sense of excitement. Days turned into weeks, and Emily found herself visiting the bakery more often. Each time she came in, Jack would try to strike up a conversation. They talked about their interests, their dreams, and soon discovered they had a lot in common. Jack loved to bake, and Emily loved to read, but they both shared a love for storytelling. Jack would tell Emily stories about his baking adventures, and Emily would share her favorite tales from the books she read. One rainy day, Emily came into the bakery soaked from head to toe. Jack quickly offered her a seat and brought her a warm cup of tea. They sat by the window, watching the rain pour down, and talked for hours. As the day turned into night, Jack realized how much he enjoyed Emily's company. He wanted to spend more time with her, to know her better. Jack decided to take a chance and asked Emily if she would like to go for a walk with him on a sunny day. Emily, feeling a flutter in her heart, agreed. The next day, the sun was shining, and Jack and Emily met at the town square. They walked through the park, talking and laughing, and it felt like they had known each other forever. As they walked, they came across an old bookstore. Emily's eyes lit up, and she asked Jack if they could go inside. The bookstore was filled with rows and rows of books, and Emily felt like she was in heaven. Jack watched her as she excitedly explored the shelves, picking up books and reading their titles. Jack noticed a book on a high shelf that Emily seemed interested in but couldn't reach. He reached up, took the book, and handed it to her. Emily thanked him and looked at the book. It was a collection of love stories. She smiled and told Jack that she believed in love stories and happy endings. Jack looked into Emily's eyes and said, "I believe in them too." At that moment, they both felt a connection that was deeper than anything they had felt before. They spent the rest of the day in the bookstore, sharing their favorite stories and dreams. From that day on, Jack and Emily were inseparable. They spent their days together, finding joy in the simple things in life. Jack would surprise Emily with freshly baked pastries, and Emily would read him stories from her favorite books. They found comfort and happiness in each other's company. One evening, as the sun was setting, Jack took Emily to a beautiful spot by the river. The sky was painted with hues of orange and pink, and the water glistened in the light. Jack took Emily's hand and told her how much she meant to him. He said that she had brought light and joy into his life and that he couldn't imagine a day without her. Emily, with tears in her eyes, told Jack that she felt the same way. She had found a best friend and a soulmate in him. Jack then reached into his pocket and pulled out a small box. He opened it to reveal a simple, elegant ring. He got down on one knee and asked Emily if she would marry him. Emily, overwhelmed with happiness, said yes. They embraced, knowing that they were meant to be together. They returned to the bakery and shared the news with Jack's family, who were overjoyed. The whole town celebrated their engagement, happy to see two wonderful people find love. Jack and Emily's wedding was a simple, beautiful affair. They were surrounded by friends and family, and the bakery was filled with laughter and love. As they exchanged vows, they promised to cherish each other and to always find joy in the little things. Years passed, and Jack and Emily's love only grew stronger. They continued to run the bakery together, creating new recipes and sharing their love for storytelling. They had a family of their own, and their children grew up surrounded by love and the sweet aroma of freshly baked bread. Emily would still read by the window, with Whiskers by her side, and Jack would join her, sharing stories of their adventures. They knew that they had found their happy ending, and it was just the beginning of a beautiful love story. And so, in the small town, Jack and Emily lived happily ever after, proving that love, indeed, is the greatest story of all. I hope you enjoyed the story.